That's the bad part about wearing like jean shorts, that you have to keep arranging them. But oh, so comfortable. So comfortable. Like this instead of like the pointy end, like this. So it has a nice little ending to it, which is nice. Alright, last one. Depending, it's my one for the. I'm honestly still pretty good energy-wise. I might keep going. Like well, I might get a couple more out of this candle, but I don't know. It kind of depends on the candle. This is the last one. I do have some other candles, but they are scented, and I'm kind of worried that it's gonna be a bit too much. Like, I'm keeping my distance from this one, but it is unscented, so I don't have to worry.